Be ready. Start. Sir, I am very glad that I have the opportunity to take part in the discussions on the demands for grants in respect of the Ministry of Labor. I am glad we have got a very good labor minister, but I do not know whether he is able to take all the necessary steps to improve the labor situation in this country at this crucial moment. Paragraph. Sir, in the labor ministers conference some time back, it was suggested that steps should be taken to enforce the minimum wages in the different industries. It was also suggested that not implementation of minimum wages should be declared as a cognizable offense and the offenders should be arrested. However, it had been agreed at the conference that more deterrent punishment should be given to the offenders and that the act should be amended suitably. Necessary changes should have been made in the central legislation by this time. The Industrial Dispute Act had become outdated and it should be completely overhauled. Paragraph. Sir, if the administration of Provident Fund scheme at various levels has to be fully advantageous to the employees, there should naturally be regional offices which could directly deal with the members of the fund who go in for advances, loans, etc. The present situation has offered an opportunity for the government to make necessary meaningful changes in a number of legislative measures which seek to protect and regulate the rights and working conditions of industrial workers and other employees. In fact, several clauses of the legislative measures have little relevance to the present day conditions. Regarding the Apprenticeship Act, once our Prime Minister said in the State Labor Ministers' Conference that the Apprenticeship Act had not been implemented vigorously. It had not been given a trial. Utilization of apprenticeship opportunities or filling such vacancies has not been uniform in all the states. Creation of skilled manpower has lagged behind the limits of possibilities. So, the more important point is that what is to be done with the trained manpower if it cannot find jobs? What is even more important is that there is a new sense of urgency and a will to get things done. With regard to this, the basic problem relates neither to the number of apprentices nor to the value of their stipends. Furthermore, the gross contribution to the fund has been increasing year after year, but the average refund amount is not increasing accordingly. Paragraph. Sir, the Industrial Policy Resolution clearly mentions that in the process of rapid industrial development, labor assumes a vital role to help establish a socialistic pattern of society. Stop.